The advanced Dometic CFX portable electric car refrigerator offers a practical solution for keeping food and drinks cool during travel. This refrigerator is designed to be compact and easy to carry, making it suitable for road trips, camping, or outdoor activities. It can be powered by a vehicle's electrical system, allowing users to maintain fresh items even when away from traditional refrigeration sources. This portable refrigerator provides reliable cooling performance, ensuring that perishables remain at the right temperature. It is ideal for storing beverages, snacks, and other essentials while on the go. The compact size fits well in cars, trucks, or SUVs without taking up too much space,